Welcome to the list slide. Say for instance, you're planning on going to the grocery stores to get some food items and you wrote down a list of things you need to purchase. Or also for instance, you're trying to prepare a good meal and you're following a recipe. List in HTML allows you to programmatically outline the step by step of the approach you're planning on using for a particular event or a process. This could be categorized under three things. You have the unordered list, the ordered list, and also the definition list. And in this slide, we'll get to talk about the three of them. Unordered list. This simply allows you to have a list of things you need to do in no particular order. For example, you have here the UL, which stands for unordered list, and also the LI, which is the list item. The output of this code looks like this, with a bullet sign to outline the steps you need to do in no particular order. The next example is the ordered list. Assuming you're trying to prepare a meal and are following a recipe, you'd have to follow them step by step and not missing any particular one. Over here, you have the opening tag to be an OL, which means ordered list, and also the items inside of the list is called the list item. The output of this code shows you a numbered step-by-step approach to a particular thing. Here you have number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4, meaning that you need to follow them in this order for you to achieve your particular process. The last one is the definition list. This is a little bit tricky because it contains the definition term and also the definition data. This is mostly used when you are trying to define a particular term and also list the definition. It starts off by having the DL, which stands for definition list, followed by the DT, which is the definition term, which literally houses the term you wish to define, and the DD, which is the definition data, meaning the definition of the definition term you are trying to render. The output of this code looks something like this. In our next slide, we'll get to talk about comments and how best to use comments in our HTML code.